Okay, welcome to MSc first year students. Today we are going to explain about klestron amplifier, which is one of the important topics in third unit. So let us start klestron amplifier. So here at microwave frequencies, electronic devices such as tubes and transistors will be required. The tubes can be provide higher output power. So klestron is a vacuum tube that can be used either as a generator or as an amplifier of power at microwave frequencies. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం మైక్రోవేవ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ డివైసెస్ అనేవి మైక్రో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడం మనకి కావాలి. సో వాటికి మనం ఇక్కడ క్లెస్ట్రాన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో క్లెస్ట్రాన్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ వాక్యూమ్ ట్యూబ్. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ జనరేటర్ యాజ్ అన్ amplifier of power at microwave frequencies. So the simple construction of klestron is like this. So these are the two diagrams for a klestron. We can choose any one. The working of the klestron. Basically, which is a special type of vacuum tube that finds applications as amplifiers and oscillators at microwave frequencies. So in the year 1937, American engineer Russell and Segedarian developed this type of klestrons. So basically, these klestrons operating principle of klestrons is such that the kinetic energy of moving electron, beam is utilized for amplifying and generating microwave signals. So here traveling wave tube, which is also used for amplification of RF signals and have similar applications as klestrons. So klestrons are majorly classified as two cavity klestron and reflex klestron. So first we have to discuss two cavity klestron. After that we will discuss reflex klestrons. Those are important topics in MSc course. Right. So here the two cavity klestron consists operating principle and construction, working and applications. So first we can discuss operating principle of two cavity klestron. So we have already discussed in the introduction that klestron is based on the principle of velocity modulation. Thus the two cavity klestron amplifier utilizes the kinetic energy of moving electron beam for signal amplification. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గన్ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఇలా రిలీజ్ అవుతున్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ యొక్క వెలాసిటీని మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుని దాని నుంచి మనం మైక్రోవేవ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ద వేరియేషన్ ఇన్ ద వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ వైల్ మూవింగ్ inside the tube is known as velocity modulation. This velocity modulation permits bunching of electrons while propagation. So these are the bunches. So the combined energy of bunched electrons is transferred at the output thereby providing an amplifier signal. So construction of the klystron, two cavity klystron. So this is the figure. You can observe the different parts of the klystron. So which has two bunches, namely one is buncher cavity and another one is catcher cavity. Buncher cavity and catcher cavity. The RF signal to be amplified, to provide that buncher cavity. The RF signal is connected to the buncher cavity. The electron gun, this is the electron gun, comprises cathode, that is a heating element and anode. The electron beam is produced by the cathode by making use of heating element. This is the heating element, and high positive potential at the anode. Provides required acceleration to the electron beam initially. So the region between buncher cavity and catcher cavity,